Hello, this is Saving With Sayhee. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Burlington 25% off and purse. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to sub my channel. And actually, I was waiting outside for a little while, and well, I can wait for my deal. And of course, I wear my mask to make sure it's safe for everyone as well. That's why I was recording back home. Usually I recording in the store, but I want to make sure everyone's safe as well. And actually, I went to Purse station first, and I got a lot of great deal at purses. I was so excited. I know it's 25% off. First I thought it was 50% off, and I asked them, and they have a sign that said 25% off for the purses. But other shoes and clothes was 50%, but still 25% was a great deal. Even this BCBG, that was really great deal, and it is $12 basically. It was really cheap, and I really realized a lot of wallet and purse and cross bag and backpack are great sale as well. Probably they stay there for a long time. That's why I was so happy. I already got a lot of stuff for my mother-in-law and my friends, and of course for me as well, and for the Christmas. I know it's too early for the Christmas, but come on, it's already May. June's coming up soon. And also I found a lot sale on Tommy Hilfigure. Actually, I really like the brand. Not only the brand, but I like their design. So also I found a lot of Reebok as well, and Puma and Guess, and few Michael Kors, and Case Beer was already sold out, almost gone. I think I found one. And I was impressed by Burlington. Everything was really, still in good order as well. And I really love crossbags. Usually crossbag is my favorite thing. I don't know why. I like the small crossbag so I can put my phone, just simple. But this purse and this Ralph Lauren's $20, which is like 15 bucks for Ralph Lauren backpack. That would be great. And I found also Klein as well, and even this backpack was really great deal as well. I was very impressed. They did a great job. I have to give them thumbs up. And actually they did really clean really well. And also I like DKNY design as well. They do really a lot of cool stuff. I don't know, they changed designer, but it was so cool. And of course kids need backpacks, so I was looking at backpack as well. $28 for Bebe, but you have to take 25% off, of course. What a deal! I compared with the loss, I was thinking about it, and actually it's a lot of stuff actually much better deal at Burlington. I was very impressed. Good job. I really like that. I really love this Puma backpack. Of course I got for my kid. I cannot pass that. And when you see the line, one line you can get in, one line you cannot get out. And I found a lot of Ralph Lauren as well, and also I saw a lot of Madden, and I also see a lot of Guess and a lot of Puma as well. And this one is perfect for go gym or something. I haven't went to gym yet, but that was 10 bucks, so take 25% off. That was great deal. What a deal. I love them. I want to go tomorrow again as well, because I'm just excited. I have to get ready for the holiday as well, because staying in house for a while. I love Burlington was really great deal. Actually, I called my mother-in-law and I asked her to check it out her store. So I don't know if she got it or not. I was so excited. So I hope I got a lot video about 10 more minutes or 5 more minutes. So enjoy. I got more videos coming up. that is all for today. I hope you found a deal like me and saving money as well. I love this deal, was great. I spent more than I supposed to, but I love it. And let me know what you get from store, and give me a comment below, and have a wonderful day. Ciao ciao. Bye bye now.